I'm just waiting for the listing guys to come. I'm just waiting for the listings. Many real estate companies said will be a lot of listings right after New Year. Like 10 came, sold in one day. You know, one of those days when you sit by the window, it's gray, it's winter, it's gloomy outside, and you dream about things. Yeah, but today, not that day. Today, 2 minutes Tuesday market update. Intro. I'm so excited, guys, to see your happy faces in 2019. So New Year just started and I'm excited to do this video for you guys, and this episode hopefully is going to be helpful for you. December stats came up right now, and it's available for you guys, and you see those numbers right now on the screen, and it shows different area. I'm not going to go through all of them, but in majority area you see property increase. But I want to talk about different numbers today. Numbers of listings, number of pending sales, and number of sold property just for January and December and November and October. And I want to show you like what's happened in the last couple months and where we're going right now, and that's probably gonna answer questions what's gonna happen in the springtime of 2019 for you guys. Pull just data only for Eastside. That's including Bellevue, East Bellevue, West Bellevue, Kirkland, Redmond, Sammamish, East Sequoia, Plateau, all those area on Eastside, and you can see data here. It's real data from Transgraphic, which is supported by Northwest MLS, and this data shows we did have a lot of listings in October, and inventory increased a lot, so up to 2.7 months, almost 3 months inventory was that time. But what's happening in November and what's happened in December, you see inventory slowly decrease about 20% almost every month. And right now we're moving to almost the same inventory like we had a year ago, well, slightly more, but we have same amount of listings sold and same amount of pending sales as well. But demand is high, and demand going to be much higher springtime. And what else is happening is right now everybody know about government shutdown. People move money from the stock market to the bond market, and that leads to decreased interest rate. And with decreased interest rate, power increase a lot, and interest rate decrease almost 0.5%. And this is going to be open now only for short window of the time, probably for 1.5 months, 1 month, and in a few months like March and April we probably look for another interest rate increase. And with this time, buyers want to secure the interest rate, and a lot of demand right now for housing markets. That's why we don't have homes sitting in the market long time. Still 2-3 weeks, maximum 1 month on the east side, and houses moving fairly quickly with the price range up to $1 million. So I hope this information was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You see my number on the screen. I love to be a real estate resource and answer any questions reference your city market. Make a fantastic week.